Welcome to the second part to this booster pack opening. Now I'm gonna open all these packs here. It's a little bit of a mix of cards actually. We can always hope that most of them are real and not fake. Because if all of them are fake, well, that makes me sad, but makes somebody happy. Nah, not really. This card was actually 3 packs from the guy that I bought the album from, so I'm not so sad. The most cards are actually real, so Horsey, Aaron, Pikachu, Mysterious Fossil, Lilip, Rainbow Energy, Donphan, Magikarp Reverse, and a Zangoose. And that was the only pack from that. Now we have a Heart Gold Full Silver. Electric Energy, Cyndaquil, Chikorita, Chansey, Hoppip, Percent's Training Method, Quilava, Full Heal, Skiploom Reverse, and a Sandslash. So no holographics there. And that was the only pack of that, so now we have a Crystal Guardian. How fun. Mudkip, Energy Search, Krabby, Electrike, Diglett, Gulpin, Charmeleon, Camera Reverse, and a Sabela holographic. So yeah, that's quite a pull there. And that's the only pack of that, and now we have a Platinum pack. So I know I didn't got so many packs from these 3 packs here, so yeah. Chimchar, Skitty, Perugly, Lotad, Torchic, Plus Power, Houndoom, Lucario, Pokédex, and a Kricktoon. And now I have some Diamond and Pearl Mysterious Treasure, actually more than 1 pack. So let's see what we get. And this is gonna be a 3-part, so actually it's 1 more part after this that you can tune in on. Paras, Speel, Surskit, Bronzor, Pichu, Celio, Tropicus, Unknown, Abra Reverse, and a Sudowoodo. Now we have a Garchomp pack. Quite good so far. No fake packs whatsoever. That's always at least something in a good manner. Well, you can always get happy if you don't get any fake packs, but if you get a fake pack, you get a fake pack. Murkrow, Buizel, Vulpix, Gibble, Shinx, Dunsparce, Bayleaf, Dodrio, Nidorina, and Executor. So not as good pulls as in the first packs. Now we have a Toxiquark, yeah, how do you now say that? The first part had a lot more good cards. This doesn't seem right. No, it's not right. Nope, not right. Fake pack. Definitely fake. Or they may be real cards, but they are not real cards. They are not real cards, but they are real cards, but they are not real cards. I don't know really how I'm gonna say it any other matter. That Sandthrough, Seal, Dudu, Spinarak, Zubat, Baby Search, Dunsparce, Darkness Energy, Rodrigo Reverse, and Ariados. And now we go on to a new set, Majestic Dawn. Apom, Drifloon, Shellos, Munchlax, Pikachu, Electric, Darkness Energy, Sudowoodo, a Pharaoh Reverse, and a Glaceon non-holographic. On to the second pack. Sparrow, Electrike, Burmy, Energy Search, Eevee, Scyther, Monferno, Duskball, Unknown, and an Espeon. No holographics there. On to the last pack of the Majestic Dawn. Since my luck has run out on me. Starly, Combi, Helix Fossil, Apom, Drifloon, Pharaoh, Darkness Energy, Pasuruchu, Finneon, and a Rotom Holo. So, at least a Holo. And now we go down to the EX Deoxys. Normal, Goldeen, Fanfi, Carvana, Bagon, Space Center, Lumbre, Deoxys, a reverse card, and a Magcargo. And on to the next pack. So only one fake pack so far. That seems to be a good thing at least. Means that I get more cards that are the real deal. Barboach, Electrike, Makuhita, Beldum, Ninkara, Shelgon, Magcargo, a reverse Magcargo, and a Skarmory rare. Should have been a holographic. I mean, it's so much cooler. And on to the next pack, which, yeah, is another EX Deoxys, I would say. Normal, Purple, Makuhita, Fanfi, Hariyama EX. I must have done something wrong there. Yeah, there you have the... I must have taken 3 cards. At least we got an EX card. Really awesome. As you can see. Sweet. And of course we got the Space Center and Bagon, Macargo and Minun. Take a look at this card again. Sweet. Yeah. And on to the next pack. Now I see what I did wrong. I probably took 3 cards when it only was 2. I don't remember. Lotad, Zubat, Seedot, Staryu, Natu, Donphan, Masquerain, Dusclops reverse, and a Rayquaza non-holographic. On to the next pack. Poochyena, Spoink, Wingull, Barboach, Coughing, Master Ball, Lady Outing, a Ludicolo reverse, and another Macargo. Now we go on to the Dragon Frontiers packs. We only have 2 of these, so yeah. And this pack looks fake, yep. Either fake or something really worse, yeah. Well, we get to see. Maybe is it not fake? Maybe real. Rolls. No, it's fake, definitely fake. Yep, as I was suspected. 2 fake. At least we hope to have 1 Dragon Frontier pack that are not fake. This seems a little more legit. Smoochum, Feebas, Trapinch, Tailo, Mareep, Professor Elm's Training Method, Nidorina, a Seel reverse, and a Jinx. So that ends this part. I'm gonna put these 3 cards that we got here to the recap later. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you for more videos. Bye.